Okay, as I was saying, you can see here that when I put my cursor here at the end of network 1, there's no other way that I can do it, but it's actually here. So if I put my cursor here, you can see that my RLO is actually equal to 0 still. Can you see that? In other words, the RLO is equal to 0, as you can see it here, but you might as well check it there in the status word. And then actually the status word is also shown in the manual for the Siemens, which is definitely this is what is called the status word, and then they give you this and this and this, and then all of these are actually defined. If you read you can check there is a manual specifically based on this that defines this and this and this. There's your check bit, that is your RLO, result of operation, and then there's your status word. And now, okay, the rest of the others are also defined equally, but there is a manual for that. Now, moving from there, so I want us to read the second line now. You can see that jump if the RLO is equal, the RLO is equal to 1. That was the result of logic operation of the previous instruction, not on this one. You can see here the RLO is equal to 1. Jump to the label love if RLO is equal to 1. But we're talking about the previous instruction. So if you look at this now, it doesn't jump to the label. It says here the program continues here if the jump is not executed. In other words, the fact that this says load instruction, and you can see that the RLO is equal to 1, you can see that there is a value here that is being loaded. The value, you might as well, okay, you may check the value. This is a value basically, and you can say it also says here transfer. And then if you want to check the value in detail, you may check the accumulation table 1, and then you will see that according to the accumulation table 1, the loaded value is actually still 0. So this means that 16 hash 0 is actually 0 in real life. Yeah, that's what it means. Yes. The simulator just will assist you if the numbers may be looking a little bit funny, or in other formats of in the programmer's formats. So but it is the same thing that sits here in the accumulation table. You see this accumulation table 1, this is also accumulation table 1. It's the same thing. Okay, and then now going forward now on the program, it says the defined label definition. Label definition says here love means that the label love means that and input 0.4. That's what it means. So now, in other words, when we jump to the label input to the label love, if we ever do so, it will actually create the input. It will actually check the input 0.4 to become 1. So let us try it. But try it, we basically have to